Hey guys, welcome back to Carly J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Jamaican Gizzarda. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. You can also guys follow me on Facebook, Carly J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can also go ahead and try out all of my recipes. They are listed in the description box. Once again guys, thank you for all of your support. Thank you for all of your love. I really feel the love coming from you guys. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my Jamaican Gizzarda. Here are some counter flour. I also have some ice cold water, cinnamon powder, vanilla flavoring. I also have some freshly grated nutmeg. I also have sugar, margarine, 1 stick of margarine, freshly grated coconut flakes, mixed spice, and I also have ginger. And guys, you know, if you're making gizzarda, you need a little bit of ginger because ginger gives it a nice flavor. I also have salt. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare a short crust dough. So first I'm gonna add some salt to my counter flour. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add the margarine. Now guys, you don't want to add the whole margarine like that because it will take a little time to crush the margarine, because you want to ensure that your margarine resembles breadcrumbs before you start making the dough. So I'm just gonna use my knife to just slice up my margarine in pieces and add it to the flour and the salt. Now I'm just gonna use my hand to crush the margarine. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and families and tell them about Carly J's Kitchen. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Carly J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. And guys, you can go ahead and make this sweet treat for your family. I mean, it's really easy and simple, and you can also involve the kids in this. So now it's time to go ahead and add the ice cold water. So as you can see, I am adding a small amount of water first. Even though guys, I have 1 cup of water, I am not going to use all of the water. So once the dough is formed, I am just gonna cover it and put it in the fridge for about half an hour before using. Now it's time to go ahead and start making the filling for my gizzarda. As you can see, I have a small pot with some water boiling. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my freshly grated ginger. So I'm just gonna cover that. I'm also gonna put it in the fridge some freshly grated nutmeg. And guys, if you're like me, I love a lot of spices, so I might add a little bit more spice. I'm also gonna add the cinnamon powder. And the mixed spice. This smells so good, guys. I'm just gonna use my wooden spoon to just combine everything together, because you don't want anything to lump up. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the vanilla flavoring. And also the brown sugar. Guys, you should smell this. It smells so good. Once again, guys, subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. And don't forget to share. So I'm just adding the rest of the nutmeg. And I'm just going to combine this together, because you want your sugar to dissolve before you add the coconut flakes. So as I said before, guys, I love a lot of spice. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some more mixed spice. And also, guys, you can taste. You want to ensure that it's not too sweet and it's not too fresh. So I just add some more cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut flakes. I'm just going to combine the coconut flakes with all of the other ingredients. And guys, even though you see the coconut flakes look white, don't worry about it. Once it's cooked, then it's going to change color. And this cook within 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just going to allow this to cook and show you what it looks like after it finished cooking. So guys, this is what it looks like after 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna put it to the side and allow it to cool down a bit before adding the filling to my short crust dough. So I'm just gonna put this to the side and start making the cups for my gizzarda. So this is the short crust dough that I made earlier for my gizzarda. So I'm just gonna add some flour to the surface. And I'm gonna cut the dough in 2 halves. And guys, when you cut the dough in two halves, always remember to put the other half in the fridge. Don't leave it out like that. So I'm just gonna use my rolling pin and roll the first half of the dough. And when you see dough sticking like that, you just add some more flour and then everything will be good again. You can start rolling. So this is my dough. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna use a round container to just cut out circles. And that is what one circle looks like. So I'm just gonna cut out the other circles. Then I'm gonna show you how I make my cups for my gizzarda. So I'm just gonna roll out the other piece of the dough. Once again, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link will be in the description box. You can also go ahead and send me a DM, send me a message via Facebook of a meal that you want to see me prepare for you. And guys, I try my best to make all of my recipes easy and simple for you guys. So I'm just rolling out this small piece that I have. So guys, this is my baking pan. So I'm just basting it with some cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make my cups for my gizzarda. So as you can see, I'm just using one of my finger to push out one side, and then I'm just going to pinch it on the outside. And after I'm finished doing that, I'm just gonna make some holes in the bottom so that it will cook faster. So I'm just gonna do this to all of the doughs. And guys, as you can see, the dough is sticking a bit, so I'm just adding some flour to the bottom. So now that I'm finished making these gizzarda cups, I'm just going to add them to the oven for roughly 10 minutes before adding the filling. And I'm also going to make the other half of the dough and bake them for roughly 10 minutes. And I also add a little bit of milk, guys, on the outside of the dough and also on the inside, because I want it to be a little bit golden. So I'm going to show you when I'm adding the milk. So I'm just adding the rest of the cups. And guys, I don't have a big baking sheet, so I'm not able to bake everything at once. So I have to just take my time and bake small portion first, and then I add another small portion. So I'm just gonna bake these for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna add the filling. So after 10 minutes, this is how my cups look. So now it's time to start adding the coconut filling. So I'm just taking up small amounts. And guys, if you see your cup falling apart, you can just use your hand to just pinch it. Whoa, look at that, guys. And guys, as I said before, this is very easy and simple, and you can go ahead and try it with your family, your kids, and also you can try it with your neighbor. So after I add the filling, I'm just gonna bake this for 20 to half an hour at 200 degrees. And then I'm gonna show you the final product. And guys, this is the final product of my Jamaican Gizzarda. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all of your support. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next video. Bye.